Good evening, everyone. So I'm Renaud, I'm one of the founders of EarthCube, and I'm going to talk about this startup. So EarthCube came from the constellation we had with my associates at the beginning. We started talking with lots of clients of Earth observation, and we ended up seeing that there is lots of money and environmental damage done just because people are not looking at the right time, at the right moment. And we were a peak of this damage. If you know exactly what to look, where to look, and how to look, Earth observation by satellite works really well. You can task radar satellite, visible satellite, lots of satellites, you can task them, have 3, 4, 8 passages a day, and it works really well. However, a few years ago, there had been a major leak, pipeline leak in the US. It cost more than $70 million. Why does it cost so much? It was not because the leak was big. It was because the leak lasted 45 days. Because nobody was watching there at this moment. 45 days, for 45 days, the pipeline leaked, putting oil on the environment. And so this is what we want to change at EarthCube. Providing this constant monitoring low effort services to business all around the globe. And to do that, we think that nano satellites are really a game changer. However, if you want to do that with nano satellites, so really small satellites, if you need hundreds of them to cover the Earth every day, or if we only detect 1 kilometer size event, it's not going to happen. You have to have this very accurate detection, so detect event few meters square, few tens of meters square, but still cover lots of ground with your instrument. So have a large SWAT, so have a large pixel. And this is where our technology happens. Basically, I talk about nano satellite, but for us, the nano satellite is just a commodity. We tend to buy it. Really, our core technology is how to detect small events with a large pixel. So we have, and to do that, we focus on specific spectral band of the infrared imagery and develop a payload adapted to do that. And we combine this payload with a developed in-house algorithm specifically adapted to our problematic. So this is computer vision algorithm used in the medical imagery business. We are adapting to space. And with that, we are able to detect very small events, even on a tiny fraction of the pixel. So we have really this good detection capability, but we still have these big images. And what does it do? It does that with only 10 satellites, we can have 1 image per day of the entire Earth, when Planet Lab needs 100. And this enables our surveillance service. And as a surveillance company, we are not going to sell images to the client. We are really going to sell him ready-to-use intelligence and services for an installation. And so who we are, so I am Renaud, I am a technical lead of the business. I come from Airbus Defence and Space and Business. I worked 8 years on the satellite and the payload design. Arnaud, which is not here today because he's in Investor, in fact, he's a business lead, and he comes from Arriva and Boston Consulting Group. He has more than 10 years of experience, leading as leader of R&D for one of the largest BU in Arriva, and after he went to China, founding and leading a subsidiary of Arriva in China. And we are very proud to have managed to gather lots of talented people in the business side, but also in the technical side. I don't have the time to talk about everybody here, but for example, we have Jean-François, which is helping us to access the North American market, and he's the former chief of staff of the Prime Minister in Canada. Or we have Lionel here at CNRS, which is one of the top computer vision researchers in France, and he's helping us to design the algorithm. So where we are, what is our future? We want to go fast, so now we are a few weeks launching a stratospheric balloon with a demonstration of our first payload. During the summer, we will demonstrate our business case on plane and support with the support of the ONERA, aerospace French lab. And we are also in the process of getting some funding. So this is why Arnaud is not here yet today. And we hope to launch our first demonstration satellite by the end of 2017. So hope you will be there to watch. And thank you very much.